Hello, everybody. 30 years ago, I wrote a poem, published it in a very obscure downtown New York magazine called Shiny International. And a year later, John Ashbery picked it out and included it in the first volume of the Best American Poetry, 1988. And, finally I tell my parents, yes, it was all for something. I want to read this poem to you, but I should tell you the legend that surrounded the editing of the Best American Poetry, 1988, was that when you opened up the pages, there were 50 poems or something like that, but from a startlingly low number of magazines, perhaps 7, and the legend sprung among us that, well, everybody who was in that issue of Shiny International got into the Best American Poetry, and so forth. So the idea was, we heard that Ashbery had forgotten he was supposed to be doing this project for the general editor, and when the deadline came, I'll be there in 20 minutes, and then 50 pages got ripped out of everything that was on the coffee table. A happy accident for me. Pasolini. First, after the spots in the sun, the 27 holes in the coronal. Then, the meeting in the hotel with a man and a cape, only more discreet. Is it supposed to be a series of riddles or charades? And you guess, and then the answer appears. Visconti. First, look at the blackened scar and elbow like a piece of macaroni. Then on the plate, I nearly came while I was looking. No hands. First, both ways, crossing the street to the traffic island. Then a big van, painted multicolor, hippie style, a tiger across it. The 60s. First, why don't you shave? Your filthy face is burnt with oil. Then you could maybe eat a bit of fruit like maybe my little guava. Foreplay. Okay, last. First in the mezzanine palace of the ancestors. Last on my list of required reading. Get it? Lovecraft. Thank you.